Secure your cord. Bring it behind the first two cords, over, and then pull it from behind and bring it snug to the top. Go over again, go through, grab it and pull it and make it snug to the top. Bring it under the next two cords, loop it over and through. Over and through. And do that all the way across. Tape the next cord and do the same thing. Switch colors for the next row. Do another row in the same color. Do 4 more rows in the original color. Remove the dowel. Undo the lark's head knots. I'm going to cut the fringe to 1 inch long. You can do this with a rotary cutter or with scissors. I like to use a rotary cutter. And I'm going to cut all 4 sides the same length. And then you can just comb out the fringe.